Pole calibration is required when the carbon pole bends when used for too long, causing problems with tilt accuracy. Open pole calibration on the device interface. Click the antenna height to set the antenna measured height and antenna measurement type. In the LNS inertial navigation convergence state and click Calibrate the centering rod. While keeping the bottom position of the alignment rod unchanged, shake it back and forth to collect 50 points. Then rotate it 90 degrees according to the prompts, and then shake it back and forth to collect 50 points. Until all 4 directions are calibrated.